much there. Now, we do have some healthcare headlines today. Dendreon, a name in the news, so let's get to Mike Huckman with a special interview here. Mike, take it away.
Yeah, and those shares, by the way, Aaron, are surging big time on very heavy volume and fresh off the company's conference call from Dendreon headquarters in Seattle. I'm joined live by the company's CEO, Dr. Mitchell Gold, for this exclusive TV interview, albeit over the phone. And he is an MD, by the way, a former practicing urologist. Dr. Gold, good morning, and thanks for being here.
Good morning, Mike.
So I imagine you didn't get much sleep, but your adrenaline has to absolutely be pumping, and you must be on cloud 9, I suspect.
You know, we are absolutely thrilled with the results. This is a landmark study. It's the first active immunotherapy to show a survival benefit in a phase 3 study. It's a tremendous accomplishment for the company, but it means a tremendous amount for prostate cancer patients across the world.
Please explain in layman's terms what active immunotherapy means and how that differs from chemotherapy, which everybody knows so well.
Sure. Well, this is a long thought-after approach of using a patient's own immune system to fight cancer. And what we do with Provenge, which is our lead product that we reported on today, is use a patient's own immune system cells. We activate them against the patient's own prostate cancer, and we're able to elicit an immune response against the cancer. And today what we reported was that we showed a survival benefit, which is the gold standard outcome of oncology clinical trials in a large randomized phase 3 trial. Now, from a patient's perspective, as you said, one of the debilitating side effects of chemotherapy is hair loss, nausea, vomiting, etc. And in contrast to that, Provenge is fairly well tolerated. The most common side effects are fevers and chills. They last about 1 to 2 days, and they're of short duration.
Dr. Gold, on the conference call this morning, you said that the positive results are unambiguous. That's your word, and that the study was a clear hit, and those are your words. You'll be presenting the detailed data, or researchers will, at the upcoming American Urological Association meeting in Chicago on April the 28th in the afternoon. But can you tell us, does this mean that you met that threshold of at least a 22% reduction in the risk of death that you had earlier identified as the threshold that you needed to either meet or cross to possibly win FDA approval of this product?
Sure. It was unambiguous in the phase 3 study design that we met the pre-specified endpoint of the study of an improvement in overall survival. That data we presented in full at a major academic medical conference called the American Urological Association meeting, and that's where all the urologists across the globe come together. Because of the medical significance of this particular trial, it's important that those results are embargoed until it's presented in a major medical forum such as the AUA. This is the first active immunotherapy to show a survival benefit in cancer, and it's one of the longest follow-ups that we've had in this patient population, so it's of major significance to the medical community.
So naturally, Dr. Gold, everybody wants to know, when can they get it? People here at CNBC are asking, when will this drug be available? Best case scenario, when could you possibly win FDA approval and get this product on the market?
So, as we said in our call today, Mike, the company plans to complete its application with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in the 4th quarter of this year. The FDA will have 6 months to review the application after our submission.
Dr. Gold, yesterday your stock was up about 16%, or about $1 or so, on very heavy volume. You did not put out the press release until well after the markets closed that you were going to announce these new data this morning. Was there some kind of leak?
We're not aware of any type of leak, Mike, and we put the results out in a very timely fashion.
And finally, you're well aware of the environment in biopharma right now. Big pharma needs drugs. Small little biotechs like yours have the drugs but need the money. Do you expect that potential suitors will come banging down your door to try to either partner on Provenge or to buy your company out right now?
Well, Dendreon finds itself in a unique position today. We have a first-in-class product, potentially with Provenge, but it's based on a platform technology called the antigen delivery cassette. And so we have other products in our pipeline that target breast, colorectal, and kidney cancer. And so we're in the unique position that we've now received positive data from a phase 3 study in Provenge. We've made it public that we plan to seek a commercialization partner outside the U.S. and commercialize this product ourselves in the U.S.
Thanks again, Dr. Mitchell Gold, the CEO of Dendreon, whose shares are up about 180% as I speak. We look forward to talking to you at the AUA meeting at the end of this month. Of course, for more, check out my blog, farmersmarket.cm.